Right, got the cooling system pressure tester on it, and I've already got a drip. Hopefully it's just a hose clamp. Right here. It's dripping on my hand. So we'll snuggie up that clamp and see if that will solve it. Alright, so after pressure testing the cooling system, we had one small leak right here. Took care of that. Just cranked down the hose clamp. Good to go. I checked the lid, the cap rather, and it starts to bleed off at 10 psi, and it's supposed to be a 13-pound cap. So we will get a cap for this. So we're out checking. And guess who's got a Pertronix already in her? It's supposed to be a dual point factory distributor. It is a dual point factory distributor, but it's already been converted. It already has Pertronix. It's one less thing we need to do. Hooray.